Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to make Hari chutney and Amchur Khatti Meethi chutney. So for Hari chutney, here I have 200 grams of coriander leaves and 50 grams of pudina leaves in a mixie jar. Now I'll add 2 tomatoes to it. Here I also have some green chilies and 1 kacha aam or keri. Here I will be using rock salt, black salt, and a pinch of isfutida. Now I'll add all the things to the mixie jar, the tomatoes, the kacha aam or keri and the green chilies. Now I will be adding black salt to it. I have used half a teaspoon of it, and common salt or rock salt 1.5 teaspoon to it. You can also add salt according to your taste. Now I'll close the lid and blend it. If you need, you can even use some water so that it gets blended properly. You can see this is the consistency that we want, and our khatti meethi hari chutney is ready. You can have this chutney with parathas, rolls, pakoras, tikkis, anything you like. Hari chutney is ready now. Now we'll make Amchur Khatti Meethi chutney. For this you need, here I have dry mango powder, half cup, rock salt, black salt according to your taste, red chili powder, sugar 2 cups, here I have 6 to 7 cloves and 1 large cardamom. We will now sift the dry mango powder. We are doing this because we do not want any lumps of this powder in the water that we are using. Below I have a utensil with 2 cups of water. I will now mix it properly. Put this utensil on medium flame and add the ingredients. And stir it properly. Let it boil for 5 minutes. This is the consistency that we want. We'll now let it cool down. So here is our khatti meethi amchur chutney ready.